Okay, so here I wanted to show just a little bit of the size differences between the iPhone 8 and the Plus. So the one on the right, this is the 8. The one on the left is the 8 Plus. So here you can see kind of the overlapping size difference between the two. On top. Now the iPhone 8 is great if really if you have trouble reaching the other ends of the screen when you're using one hand with your phone. So if you're trying to reach this other end, or if you using your left hand and you have trouble reaching the other end, it's a lot easier with just the 8. I mean, as far as quality, both phones run great. They both, even though the 8 has the dual camera, this one takes really good pictures as well. But really the difference is you're really going to feel it in the size. And if you really don't want to have to be carrying around a giant phone trying to figure out, you know, if you have pockets that won't fit, and you don't want to be carrying something really large, the iPhone 8 is actually a nice little compact version with a really good performance. So I prefer the iPhone 8 Plus just because my hand's bigger and I have trouble typing on the smaller screens, so I prefer the 8 Plus. But the 8 is really but the 8 is really a good phone as well. A very nice clean phone. It's bigger than the older models that were a little bit smaller, like say like the old 5. So they made it a little bit bigger without making it oversized.